Hello guys, my name is Vijay Shrestha. इस भिडियो में हामी इंग्लिशमा आइडम्स र फ्रेजेस बारे पढ्ने छौं. In this video, we gonna talk about some items and phrases in English. यदि तपाई यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र सँगै रहेको बेल आइकनमा क्लिक गर्नुहोस्. हाम्रो फेसबुक पेज बिआर इंग्लिश हब लाइक गर्नुहोस्. साथै तपाईको साथीहरूलाई पनि पेजमा इन्भाइट गर्नुहोस्. लेट्स स्टार्ट द भिडियो. एट द एयरपोर्ट, विमानस्थलमा. एट द एयरपोर्ट. एक्जाम्पल, आई मेट हिम एट द एयरपोर्ट. मैले उसलाई विमानस्थलमा भेटे. I met him at the airport. We arrived at the airport 1 hour early. हामी 1 घण्टा अगाडि नै विमानस्थलमा पुग्यौं. We arrived at the airport 1 hour early. Apart from, अतिरिक्त, बाहेक. Apart from. Example, he is taking nothing else apart from a suitcase. उसले सुटकेस बाहेक केही पनि लिएन. उसले सुटकेस अतिरिक्त केही पनि लिएन. He is taking nothing else apart from a suitcase. There is a bread apart from milk. त्यहाँ दूध अतिरिक्त पाउरोटी पनि छ. त्यहाँ दूध बाहेक पाउरोटी पनि छ. There is a bread apart from milk. A couple of, एक जोडा, दुईवटा. A couple of. Example, I bought a couple of eggs. मैले एक जोडा अंडा किने अथवा मैले दुईवटा अंडा किने. I bought a couple of eggs. Can you lend me a couple of pens? के मलाई एक जोडा पेन सापडिदिन सक्छौ? के मलाई दुईवटा पेन सापडिदिन सक्छौ? Can you lend me a couple of pens? As a result, परिणाम स्वरूप. As a result. Example, Ram didn't work hard. As a result, he failed in the exam. रामले कडा मेहनत गरेन. As a result, परिणाम स्वरूप ऊ एक्जाममा फेल भयो. Ram didn't work hard. As a result, he failed in the exam. He made one big mistake and as a result lost his job. उसले एउटा ठूलो गल्ती गर्यो र परिणाम स्वरूप आफ्नो जब गुमायो. At the back of, पछाडिपट्टि अथवा पछाडि भन्नुपर्दा. At the back of. Example, he saw a ghost at the back of the house. उसले घर पछाडिपट्टि भूत देख्यो. He saw a ghost at the back of the house. We found an empty table at the back of the restaurant. हामीले रेस्टुरेन्टको पछाडि एउटा खाली टेबल भेट्यौं अथवा एउटा खाली टेबल भेट्टायौं. We found an empty table at the back of the restaurant. At once, तुरुन्त. At once. Example, Ram will come here at once. राम यहाँ तुरुन्त आउनेछ. Ram will come here at once. If necessary, I can come at once. यदि आवश्यक छ भने म तुरुन्तै आउन सक्छु. If necessary, I can come at once. All over, सम्पूर्ण, सारा. All over. Example, the news spread all over the country. समाचार सारा देशमा फैलियो अथवा खबर सारा देशभरि फैलियो. The news spread all over the country. Mira looked all over for the lost book. मीराले हराएको किताब सबैतिर खोजिन्. Mira looked all over for the lost book. After a while, केही बेर पछि. After a while. Example, after a while, a hunter came out of the bush. केही बेर पछि शिकारी झाडीबाट बाहिर आयो. Hunter, hunter भनेको शिकारी. Bush, bush भनेको झाडी. After a while, a hunter came out of the bush. After a while, her behavior really began to irritate me. केही बेरपछि उसको व्यवहारले मलाई रिस उठ्न थाल्यो अथवा मलाई झर्क लाग्न थाल्यो. After a while, her behavior really began to irritate me. About to pounce, झम्टनै आँटेको. P-O-U-N-C, pounce. About to pounce, झम्टनै आँटेको. Example, the tiger was about to pounce upon him. बाघ ऊ माथि झम्टनै आँटेको थियो. The tiger was about to pounce upon him. We saw a dog about to pounce on child. हामीले देख्यौं कुकुर बच्चामाथि झम्टिनै आँटेको थियो. We saw a dog about to pounce on child. A minute or two later. 1-2 मिनेट पछि. A minute or two later. Example, a minute or two later, the old man died. 1-2 मिनेट पछि वृद्ध मानिसको मृत्यु भयो. A minute or two later, the old man died. A minute or two later, she followed me. 1-2 मिनेट पछि उनीले मलाई फलो गरिन्. A minute or two later, she followed me. Afraid of, भयभीत, एकदमै डराउनु. Afraid of. Example, he was afraid of the tiger. ऊ बाघदेखि डराएको थियो. He was afraid of the tiger. I want someone who is afraid of losing me. म कसैलाई चाहन्छु जो मलाई गुमाउन डराउँछन्. I want someone who is afraid of losing me. A lot of, धेरै. A lot of. Example, Ram ate a lot of fruit. रामले धेरै फलफुलहरू खायो. यहाँ eat means खानु. Eat को past form ate, ate, खायो. Ram ate a lot of fruits. Nepal has a lot of mountains. नेपालमा धेरै हिमालहरू छन्. Nepal has a lot of mountains. A kind of, एक प्रकारको. A kind of, एक प्रकारको. Example, the cow is a kind of animals. गाई एक प्रकारको जनावर हो. The cow is a kind of animals. Cocaine is a kind of drug. Cocaine एक प्रकारको लागू औषध हो. Cocaine is a kind of drug. At home, घरमा. At home. Example, he was not at home. ऊ घरमा थिएन. He was not at home. अथवा यसलाई सर्टकटमा यसरी भनिन्छ, he wasn't at home. Ram works a lot at home. राम घरमा धेरै काम गर्छ. राम्रो बानी हो. Ram works a lot at home. Anyway, जे होस्. Anyway. Example, anyway I went outside. जे होस् म बाहिर गएँ. Anyway I went outside. It was a pretty daft idea anyway. जे होस् यो एकदम बेवकुफ विचार थियो. Pretty daft. एकदम बेवकुफ. It was a pretty daft idea anyway. A flight of, जहाजको समूह. A flight of. Example, Nepal has a fleet of planes. नेपालसँग हवाई जहाजहरूका समूह छन्. Nepal has a fleet of planes. त्यस्तै the company owns a fleet of cars. यहाँ a fleet of भनेको जहाजको समूह. त्यसैगरी a fleet of भनेको यात्रुवाहकहरू, बस, ट्रक यी सबैको समूहलाई पनि a fleet of भन्न सकिन्छ. The company owns a fleet of cars. कारहरूको समूह कम्पनीको स्वामित्वमा छन्. All the times, सधैँभरि. All the times. Example, improvements are being made all the times. सुधार सधैँभरि गरिन्छ. Improvements are being made all the times. He talks about you. think about you all the times. ऊ सधैँभरि तिम्रो बारेमा कुरा गर्छ, तिम्रो बारेमा सोच्छ. He talks about you, think about you all the times. All weather airfield. सबै मौसममा चालु रहने हवाई मैदानहरू. All weather airfield. Example: There are not many all weather airfields in Nepal. नेपालमा सबै मौसममा चालु रहने हवाई मैदानहरू धेरै छैनन्. There are not many all weather airfields in Nepal. Accuse of. अभियोग लगाउनु, कसैलाई दोष लगाउनु. Accuse of. Example: Hari was accused of stealing a pen. हरिलाई पेन चोरीको आरोप लगाइएको थियो. Hari was accused of stealing a pen. He was accused of murder. उसलाई हत्याको अभियोग लगाइएको थियो. He was accused of murder. Ask for. माग्नु. Ask for. Example: The beggar asked me for some money. भिखारीले मसँग केही पैसा माग्यो. The beggar asked me for some money. Continue to ask for feedback on your work. तपाईको काममा प्रतिक्रियाको लागि माग्न जारी राख्नुहोस्. Continue to ask for feedback on your work. So यस भिडियोमा हामीले इङ्ग्लिसमा प्रयोग हुने 20 आइटम्स र फ्रेजेसहरू पढ्यौँ. बाँकी नेक्स्ट पार्टमा आउनेछ. यदि तपाईँ यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला र भिडियोलाई तपाईको साथीहरूमा शेयर गर्नुहोला. भिडियोलाई दोहोर्याएर हेर्नुहोला. हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलको प्लेलिस्टमा गएर सम्पूर्ण लेसन वाइज भिडियोहरू हेर्नुहोला. थ्याङ्क्स फर वाचिङ.